Hello dear colleagues, I'm glad to welcome you to Lingua T Club. I hope you are following our sessions and improving your teaching skills. Today's session is going to be about teaching action verbs. Action verbs are perhaps the most common used in English and will come up quite frequently in both the written and spoken form. When you are first getting the basic structure of English sentences, it's important to base those same sentences around key verbs in the language that we use every day. Knowing what action verbs are, as well as when and where to use them, is key to becoming better at the beginning stages of our learners' English language learning. In this session, we will cover what an action verb is, what it does, and we will cover numerous examples in the present tense in order for students to understand how to use these action verbs and apply them to regular sentences. Let's see the demo lesson and discuss it afterwards. Hello children, welcome to English class. Today you will learn action verbs. What is verb? Verb is action that shows what you do. Look at me. What is the action? Yes, this is sleep. Okay, what is the action? Yes, this is run. What is the action? Think. Good job, children. Now look at the pictures. Repeat the words. Run. Run. Walk. Walk. Ride a bike. Ride a bike. Laugh. Laugh. How do you spell words? Walk. W-A-L-K. Walk. Run. R-U-N. Run. Ride. R-I-D-E. Ride. Laugh. Laugh. L-A-U-G-H. Laugh. Now look at the pictures and repeat. Climb. Climb. Win. Win. Fight. Fight. Give. Give. How do you spell the words? Climb. C-L-I-M-B. Climb. Win. W-I-N. Win. Fight. F-I-G-H-T. Fight. Give. G-I-V-E. Give. Good job, children. Look at the picture and repeat the words. Turn on. Turn on. Turn off. Turn off. Open. Open. Close. Close. How do you spell the words? Turn on. T-U-R-N-O-N. Turn off. T-U-R-N-O-F-F. Open. O-P-E-N. Close. C-L-O-S-E. Good job. Now what are the actions? Draw. Draw a picture. Jump. Write. Write. Play. And cry. Good job. Look at another pictures. Wash. Pull. Push. Throw away. Now look at the screen, read the words, write them into your notebooks. Sleep. Run. Think. Walk. Ride. Laugh. Climb. Win. fight, give, turn on, turn off, open, close, jump, write, play, draw, wash, pull, push, throw away. Good job, children. Now I'll show you a picture and you'll act it out and say the verb, okay? Let's start. What is the action? Yes, it is run. Show me how fast you can run. Great job. What is the action? Right, it is jump. Jump high. Great. What about this action? Yes, it is read. Good job. Show me this action. Cry. Do you cry when you are sad? Me too. Okay, good job, children. Now let's make up some sentences. Let's take a verb draw. I draw pictures of flowers. Let's write this sentence. I draw pictures of flowers. So look at this sentence and let's find where is the subject of the sentence. Okay, subject is I, right? I is a subject. What do I do? What is the action? Draw. It is a verb. What do I draw? Pictures of flowers. And this is object of the sentence. Okay, let's take another sentence. Let's take a verb eat. We have a sentence. We eat dinner at 6 p.m. Let's write it. We eat dinner at 6 p.m. Okay, where is the subject of the sentence? Yes, it is we. We is the subject. What is the action verb? Eat is a verb and dinner is object. So, let's take another sentence. They wash their hands before dinner. Let's write it. They wash their hands before dinner. Okay, where is the subject of the sentence? Yes, it is they. What do they do? Wash. It is action verb. What do they wash? Their hands. It is the object of the sentence. Now, if you look at these sentences, you can see that there is a formula of a sentence. Subject, verb, object. Okay, let's write the formula. Subject plus verb plus object. Here we have a formula of a sentence. Now, children, you'll need to try to make up your own sentences, okay? Work with your partner and make up your sentences. Good job. Okay, children, that's all for today. Learn the verbs, how to act them and act out. Make up 5 sentences about you. Goodbye. Dear teachers, welcome back to tea time. Let's discuss the lesson. Start with action words that describe behaviors that are already a part of young learners' lives. Use words for actions that they do themselves, as well as see others perform. For example, draw, jump, play, run, write. Some of the best action words for early elementary schools are words about feelings and emotions, as well as how they react to such things like cry, hug, kiss, smile. Kids are developing daily habits and behaviors that will form their foundation of their regular routines. Teaching action words about these habits of daily living is a good way to cover terms that young learners have already experienced in context. The words are carry, eat, work, sleep, wash. It's also a good idea to include simple sentence and questions in action word lessons and verb activities. This helps students clearly understand how the words will be used, which will help them enhance the development of their language skills. For example, the sentence, I draw pictures of flowers. We eat dinner at 6 p.m. They wash their hands before dinner. Of course, there is more than one way to teach any subject, and different classes need to work at different paces. However, there are a few general guidelines that will help you prepare your action word lesson plans for elementary guides. First, ask students to come to the front of the room. Have them actually perform the act of coloring, reading, talking, and so on. Then ask the rest of the class what they are doing. This method is a way of introducing the concept of action. Second, have each student engage in an activity and then tell you what you are doing. Remind them they are using action words by telling you what they are doing. Third, use flashcards if your plan is to stimulate reading and recognition. Start with pictorial flashcards and then move on to words. Allow students to match the action with the concept before asking them to try to memorize the abstract notion of language. Next one, have students draw pictures of different actions. Ask them to tell the rest of the class which action they drew. Once your students are comfortable with the simple action words and their meaning, after matching, miming activities, you can show how to make up sentences and start working on more action verbs in your lessons. Dear teachers, thank you for joining me today. I hope our sessions are useful for you. We will discuss more topics on coming sessions, so please stay tuned. See you next time. Goodbye.